Hi guys, my name is Anastasiya. I'm from Endo blockchain protocol. We are from Russia, but we're based in Singapore. We created our own blockchain protocol for data verification. We forked EOS, and we have hubs for Hyperledger, Exonum, and also for Cardano. And we created our own applications on blockchain, our blockchain protocol. First app is Endo Documents. It's for documents verification. We focus on universities' diplomas. And also we have Endo Workflow. It's for supply chain. We have already integrated with DHM, but with the Russian department. And we also have KYC. We have KYC aggregators. So we don't do it by ourselves. We work with different KYC companies. And we also have Endo Legacy. It's about brand goods verification, if it's original or not. In September, we will start to work with Hermes, and we already worked with Pandora. We verify if it's original product or not original. And also, we can use our blockchain protocol for medicine, if it's original medicine or not. We can use it in nutrition and different areas. And we are also looking for developers and other projects who are interested in data verification and who can create different applications like this.
Very cool. So, are you guys in a crowdfunding stage or ICO stage?
We are on private sale now.
Oh, private sale right
Yes. We have already raised 5 million, maybe a bit more. And our hard cap is 15 million.
Will you guys be having an upcoming public sale?
Yes, but I'm not sure. Maybe in the end, we will have public sale. But now it's really good with private funds and private investors. It's better. Maybe 1 year ago, it was okay with public sale, but now it's harder. It's harder and harder. Yes, and it's better to have private.
So I see your testnet is live right now?
Yes, already, and we already have real integrations and implementations. You can find all letters and all documents on our website.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you guys on many exchanges right now, or?
Now we are on a token sale stage, and we are a utility token, but we have proof of listing with several exchanges. For example, HitBTC, Hobby, and OKEX, and some else, and Coinbase.